I started with Fox Valley Tech when I was 14, but my first time welding was through an organization called the Kids Kart Club, which invites kids to come learn manufacturing, learn welding, allowing them to build and race their own go-karts. My grandfather got me into that. He was master mechanic, machinist, you name it, he could build it. You name it, he raced it. And that's when I first started welding. I found it really enjoyable. I always liked the concept of building stuff, creating stuff. It offers a sense of accomplishment when it's finally done, to see the thing that you created. It was Ben. He's definitely the one that got me into it, got me interested in it, kept my curiosity fed, really made it fun to learn, and took me under his wing. For at least my first 5 classes, I want to say, where I'm the youngest by at least 20 years, it was actually surprisingly a lot of camaraderie that I wasn't really expecting. I've been very pleasantly surprised by the tech because they not only offer great opportunities at reasonable prices that help a lot of people, but the instructors specifically, even the ones I didn't mention, all show a level of understanding and passion that I just didn't expect to see.